Thank you so much for joining me. Hi, you coming to say hi, Rosie? Today I wanted to come and show you guys some beauty products that I've tried and used. So this is like an empty video, which an empties video is just basically products that the YouTuber has used, and they're just telling you whether they purchase it or they won't. Like if it was really good or if it was trash, they'll never get it again. So that's what this video is. So the first thing I just keep everything in this little Victoria's Secret bag. So the first beauty product that I'm going to talk about, the empty, is this. This is a collagen powder, okay? This is something I put in my coffee every morning. I have my coffee every morning and I put 1 scoop of this in every morning. Collagen is really good for your skin, your hair, and also your joints. So this is something that I use every morning. I have it on repeat on Amazon, you know, the subscription. I have it, comes every month. The thing I got is this Clinique Moisture Surge. This is a moisturizing cream. I think I have, it's a little bit in here, but I left it open one day and it kind of like dried up. This is definitely a repurchase. This Clinique's Moisture Surge is so good. Like it makes your skin feel so soft, and so this is definitely a repurchase for me. And then I got 2 of them, 2 empty. So you know I really enjoy the Clinique Moisture Surge. The next product I have is the Moisture Miracle African Pride Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oil. Looks like that. I really enjoyed this product. I have a lot of oils in my stash for my hair, so it's not a hurry up and go out and purchase right away. But once I run out of my other oils, this is definitely a repurchase, and the price point is really good. I think you can get this for like $5, and it's good. It makes your hair feels just moisturized and refreshed. Just have is a concealer. This is a Believe Beauty concealer. I got this at Dollar General. Like I said, if you watched one of my makeup videos on this channel before, you would know that I love this concealer. First of all, this is a $5 concealer that you can get from Dollar General. It reminds me of my Too Faced hydrating concealer. Like this is that I have repurchased another one already, and it's ran out already. I like to use like this like on an everyday basis where I don't have to use my more high-end brand of concealers. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Child, let me tell you, okay. I use this at night. Rosie, I'm busy. Well, you have to stay in here. Okay, so yes, I use this at night. I don't use it every night, but it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It just makes me feel good when I use it. It makes me feel good. You know, is it working? I don't know, but it just really makes me really feel really good. Thank God I have a job. I work at Estee Lauder, so I can have something like this at my fingertips, because it can be a little pricey. But I love this, and this is definitely a repurchase. I already got a couple more on deck. So the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This was in the shade Dark 40. Listen, this is a good setting powder. Okay, period. This is a very good setting powder, period. And you can get this at the drugstore. Like, I don't know about any other drugstore setting powder that compares to this, but this is really, really good. Really, really good. Like, this is like Laura Mercier, the lower end of Laura Mercier. So, Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Try that. The next thing I have is the Too Faced Hangover Refreshing Primer and Setting Spray. It looks like this. This is in a travel size. I wouldn't say this is something like I would definitely go out of my way to get. You know, if I didn't have, you know, Too Faced products at my fingertips, I don't think I would run out to Sephora or to Beauty to purchase this. But you know, it's good to have. It's good. It gets the job done. The next product I have is a body wash from Walmart. It's the Walmart brand Sensitive Skin body wash. It looks like this. I love this. I don't like to go to Walmart, but I do like ordering this from, I think you can get like 2 in a pack for $5. This is really good, nice and creamy, just like the really a good it's a deep conditioner. This look like this. I think I had this for about a year, so I'm pretty sure the packaging changed, but this is a really good protein based deep conditioner. Check that out, and the price point is really good. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. This is the Profective Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, or I think Family Dollar General, Family Dollar, or something like that. The next thing I got, I don't know where I picked this up. This was called the Magic Glue Eyeliner. This brand is by Poppy and Ivy Beauty in the shade Black. It didn't work for me. This is supposed to be a glue for your lashes and also can be eyeliner at the same time. It didn't work for me. You know, I struggle with putting on lashes, and I bought this just to see what the hype was about. A Magic Glue eyeliner. It didn't work for me, so I think I'm done on trying the eyeliner glue for lashes. And last but not least, it is the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition, and it looks like this. Girl, this is another one of those concealers that an everyday concealer, get up and go, put something under your eyes to make you look alive. This is a bomb. You can get this for like $3 at your local beauty supply store, and I think they carry these in like Walmart too. But yes, this is definitely, I already got another one on deck, so every time I go to a beauty supply store, this is definitely, I already got another one on deck. So yes, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, bye.